beautiful. Which road leads to the great mountain views? Little bird, where did you come from? Come on, I'll take you to your mother. Your home must be in that mountain, right? Come on, let's take a swim. You are such a wonderful little bird. I like you. Looks like we're going the right way according to the map, right? We'll get there soon. Dot dot, what a beautiful view. Dot dot, do you live in such beautiful places? What could be here? Dot dot, we found treasure, my friend. Dot dot, now we'll share it with everyone.
Hello, my dear ones. What are you doing here? Give me the bird.
No, I won't give it. Dot dot, my little one, where have you been?